In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add success messages in MailerLite so you can improve your lead generation and engagement rates. MailerLite is a fantastic email marketing platform, letting you easily build and send newsletters and automated campaigns, and a well-crafted success message is key to encouraging form submissions and capturing those valuable leads. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, whatever you prefer, and go to MailerLite.com. It's a straightforward website, and you'll see the login fields right there. Then, sign into your MailerLite account. You'll likely be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. There's a forgot password link you can use to reset it. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Open the Forms section. You'll find this on the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a section labeled Forms. Simply click on that. Once you're in the Forms section, you'll be able to view all the existing forms you've created within your MailerLite account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the names of the forms. That's really useful later on, so keep track of them. Next, we need to select a form that you want to edit. Scroll through the list of your forms and choose the one you want to modify. Once you've found the form, click on the form name to open the editor. This will bring up the form builder, where you'll be able to make all sorts of changes to your form's appearance and functionality. It's essentially a blank canvas for designing your perfect lead capture tool. Alright, now that the form is open, let's go to the settings. Locate the form settings panel. You'll typically find this as a sidebar or a panel close to the form itself. It might be labeled Settings, Form Settings, or something similar. Inside this panel, you'll find options related to the form's submission behavior, including things like automated email sending and, most importantly for us, success message settings. Getting this part right is crucial. Inside the form settings, you'll find options related to submission behavior. Look for settings specifically related to what happens after someone submits the form. You're searching for the success page, success message, or simply submission behavior options. These are the key settings we need to adjust. This area controls what visitors see after they've successfully submitted the form, offering a chance to reinforce your message and encourage continued engagement. Now let's focus on the core setting. Look for the success page or success message settings within the submission behavior options. This is the setting that dictates what visitors see after they submit the form. Usually the default behavior is to redirect users to another page, but we want to show them a message instead. Select the option to display a message instead of redirecting users. You'll often see a toggle switch or a checkbox to change this setting. Play around with it to see how it affects the user experience. Okay, now you've chosen to display a success message, which is great. It's time to enter a custom message. Type a message such as, "Thank you for subscribing," or "Your registration has been received." Alternatively, you could say, "Check your inbox for confirmation." Be clear and concise. Tell people what they can expect next. These kinds of personalized messages significantly increase the chances of a conversion, letting the user know their action was successful and guiding them to the next step. Let's talk about personalizing the message. It's really important to match the wording to your brand or campaign. Avoid generic, robotic messages. A personal touch builds trust and makes a better impression. Consider your brand voice. Is it formal or casual? Use language that resonates with your audience and aligns with your overall marketing strategy. Think about the image you're conveying. Now that you've typed in your custom message, it's time to review it carefully. Click the preview button or a similar link to check spelling and formatting. Always double-check for any typos or grammatical errors. A small mistake can damage your credibility. Also, confirm that the formatting looks right in the context of the form. Take a few extra seconds to ensure the message is polished and professional. With your success message crafted, let's save the changes. Click the Save button, which you'll typically find near the top of the form editor. This will save your changes and apply the new success message to the form. You'll often see a confirmation message appear on the screen, letting you know that your changes have been saved successfully. To ensure everything looks correct, it's a good idea to preview the form. Click the Preview button to see how the form appears to a visitor. This is where you can verify that the success message appears correctly and that the overall form layout is as intended. Make sure the message is displayed prominently and that it's easy to read. Finally, your form now displays a custom success message after submission. This simple addition can drastically improve your conversion rates by guiding visitors to the next action and reinforcing your brand's message. Remember to consistently monitor your form's performance and adjust your success message as needed. For your next step, Experiment with different messages to see which one generates the best results. For a further tip, consider adding a call to action button to your success message, directing users to your website or a specific landing page. Thank you for following along with this guide to adding success messages in MailerLite. You've now learned how to create a more engaging and effective lead capture form. To help you remember these steps, take a moment to save this video. That way you can easily revisit it whenever you need a refresher.